Like, I love the Eevee ones, but there's some where I'm just like, that could have been a lot cuter. Welcome to my channel. Special thanks to my channel members for helping support this channel through difficult times, and also special thanks to you for stopping by. It is time for another Pokemon video. Not Pokemon, Build-A-Bear video, but it is Pokemon themed. This guy is super duper chunky. He barely fits on the screen. But this is, I'm hesitating saying his name, Gengar. I grew up with Pokemon, I'm a child of the 90s, and this little guy, or this big guy, is freaking me out, but in the best of ways, like very accurate in size and everything. And I recently got him, and he wouldn't fit, like when you order him online, he doesn't fit in a traditional cup condo, which I thought was really funny, that he's just so gigantic. And I do have the outfit for him. This was the bundle, so it comes with the stuffed animal, the 5 sounds, which we're gonna get to, and the clothing item, which is velcroed on because he's so big that it's just not gonna go over his head. We're gonna put that on in a second, but I wanted to listen to the sounds first to see how accurate it is to the television show and all that stuff. So before I do that, let me know what your favorite Pokemon is. I have a hard time answering that question now that I mention it. I'll let you know at the end, but let's listen to the 5 sounds. Some of them felt a little repeated, but I mean, you know, it's cute. It's cuddly. It actually, I thought they were going to make it a little bit more firm, but I'm okay with the way that it's right now. Generally, if you're going in stores, you can kind of let them know your preference. But for me, it's fine. And now here's the actual outfit. It's a dark and light purple contrasting outfit with a bunch of Pokeballs. And yeah, it velcros on. So I'm going to try to put this on him as best as I can. The collar of it kind of wraps around his neck in a way that doesn't distract from the design, which I think is nice. And then we're gonna Velcro him down because he's a big boy. Yeah, it doesn't mess with his smile if you're careful about the placement. So there's his outfit, looking gigantic and snazzy. So yeah, you would just pull on it a little so that it's not covering the smile. But it Velcros really nicely and really easily, so I'm happy about that. I think he's cute. I can picture it kind of creeping me out at night, like just this giant smiling monster, but I love the attention to detail. I love how accurate it is. I think sometimes, personally for me with Pokemon Build-A-Bears, I don't always love them. Like, I love the Eevee ones, but there's some where I'm just like, that could have been a lot cuter. So I'm happy with this one. Let me know what you think of him. He's cute. I'm gonna put the price up right here one more time, just in case you missed it the first time, or in case I forget to put it, because sometimes that happens. I ordered this like a week ago, and it took a week to get here. I've mentioned already, FedEx has an issue when it comes to me ordering from Build-A-Bear, where they don't update the shipping information even after the package has already been delivered. It'll still say awaiting shipping information or something like that. Like, it won't actually update at all, and then I don't know when to expect the package, and it's just messy. I prefer to get my Build-A-Bears in person, but a lot of times my local Build-A-Bear does not have these. These sell out very quickly. And I do want to get all the Eevee evolutions like that have come out recently, but I've just been on the fence because it's just a lot of stuffed animals and I'm truly running out of space. So I might have to give some away in order to make space for some new ones. But if you have any requests for stuff that you would like to see from Build-A-Bear, let me know. Unfortunately, this is not a Build-A-Bear exclusive channel. I am a variety channel, so I do Build-A-Bear, I do Loungefly, I do a bunch of different like unboxings, jewelry unboxings, reviews, stuff like that, because I just hate sticking to one niche. It's just really hard for me, even though I think that prevents my channel from truly growing at its full potential. But it's fine. This is just a hobby that I really, really love, and I really appreciate anyone who takes the time to watch any of these videos. And that being said, I think I'm gonna see you later. I will have linked all the recent Build-A-Bear videos that I've done, the Winnie the Pooh one, the Harry Potter ones, because I'm a Ravenclaw. I don't even know what the last one aside from that was. Probably any of the Animal Crossing ones. I'm still waiting to see if Animal Crossing is going to release, or if Build-A-Bear is going to release any more Animal Crossing bears, because I think they're going to wait till 2022, but I really want something other than the original 3. So that would be a lot more fun. And if there's an Animal Crossing release, you know I will be there 100%, ordering it, doing the whole thing that I did in the past where I've done a reaction as I order it, trying to snag it before it sells out, and then an actual unboxing / review. So that'll all be here when the time comes, if the time comes. Hopefully they release more. But yeah, let me know how you're feeling about this particular stuffed animal. Give me your honest thoughts, and I will see you very, very soon with another video. Stay safe out there. Bye.